Hello, everybody. I'm Doug Rucker with Doug Rucker School, and I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about the schools that I do out in New Jersey and California for Jay Racenstein. Jay Racenstein has me come out to their locations out there in New Jersey and California once and twice a year. All classroom training is what we will be covering there. This is subjects that we cover, such as house washing, house wash bidding and quoting, plant and property protection. We'll go over proper chemical ratios, sales techniques, equipment selection, identifying surfaces, stains, and the proper application methods to clean them. We'll also go over actually cleaning houses, roofs, driveways, pool decks, pretty much anything that's on the exterior of a home. These classes are only $255. And once again, we do these about once or twice a year at their locations. We will do a little bit of hands-on demonstrations using a machine and showing some various tips like an X-Jet and some shooter tips and things of that nature. Also some soft wash equipment that we will also demo out at the back of their locations. So I hope this is convenient for you, that you're able to make it. Please just go to our website here on the events tab and get signed up if you'd like to attend. And I hope to see you in New Jersey or California real soon.